Ciao, I am Dallan and I'm here to invite you to this first masterclass dedicated to DALCOS coil-fed punching and laser cutting machines. DALCOS, as you know, is the Dallan brand that has been dedicated since 1988 to the fabrication of coil-fed punching lines and since 2013 to laser cutting machines. So what we will see from this next masterclass is this coil-fed punching machine DALCOS PXN 300, which is the direct descendant of the original PXN 300 that my father invented 35 years ago in 1988. So we will have a quick look at the line right now and a more in-depth look during the masterclass next Monday. So I wait you there. Come to masterclass.dallan.com and request your link and password to eng@dallan.com. So let's start from the beginning and let's see how this line is conceived and above all why coil-fed punching has become so popular. Basically, the reasons are three. The first one is the huge saving in raw material, because compared to the sheet-fed punching machine, when you work from sheets, you have to nest the parts and you have a material waste that is minimum 10 up to 20 and even up to 40%. So this is all material that you are wasting and not transforming in the final product. When you work from coil, when you have the fixed width of the coil and the part has the exact width of the coil, you're using the material 100%, and there are tons and tons of products that have this characteristic. For example, cable trays, metal furniture, shelving, air conditioning, well, you name it. So we start here. This line, for example, is designed for the production of elements for poultry equipment. You have one uncoiler, 3000 kilo, and this is our storage of raw material. And this leads us back to the second big reason why coil punching is so efficient and so profitable as a technology, which is this line, thanks to the decoiler, is full automatic. So once your operator loads the machine, it will punch and stack your product without the need of your operator being there all the time. So this line will need the operator just for the loading of the coil and unloading of the pallets of finished product. So after uncoiling, we have a straightening unit here that will flatten the material. Then we enter this loop control, which is controlled by a laser. And here we go into the coil-fed punching machine. Here, well, let me activate it quickly for you. So here we have one feeder that feeds the material continuously into the machine and that will control the X coordinate of the positioning of the punching. And because the material is fed continuously in the line, this leads us to the third big reason why these lines are so popular, and it is the production speed. In fact, here the material and the production flows comes continuously, and so you don't have the time for loading the sheet and unloading the finished product, which you would have in each type of sheet-fed punching machine. In the second part of the line, vieni qui Thomas, you see the turret that includes 10 punching tools. We are using thick turret punching tools, just like most sheet-fed punching machines, so they are available in all the market, very convenient and with very fast delivery time. So the punches move in the Y direction, and with the combination of the Y movement of the punches and the X movement of the feeder, you have the same flexibility basically of a sheet-fed punching machine. With the addition of this third block, which is what we call the inline presses. The inline presses is the area where you can build in notching tools or tools to make multiple holes at the same time, and this will save you a lot of time and will make the machine even more productive for your operation. We come to the final part of the line. Here we have a multitude of stacking systems. Here we have one simple stacking bench. The part is coming out of the line where it will be cut by a shear that cuts off the part without any scrap, and the parts are then neatly stacked onto this hydraulic table. This hydraulic table holds up to 4,000 kilo. So basically the line with this setup will give you, in a very compact layout, all the three advantages of coil-fed punching. Material optimization using the material up to 100%. Full automation because, as you see, the line is working unattended. And the third big advantage is the productivity, the high production speed. So I wait you on Monday on our masterclass, where we will see in detail each segment of this fantastic DALCOS line. And I'm very happy to have the DALCOS brand coming to the market again. It has been a high request of our customers. So I wait you next Monday and I will see you there. Ciao!